Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in our last video we talk about the GST, HST and PST for different provinces of Canadian provinces, and today we are gonna back with our old series, which is filing sales tax returns for different US states. Today we are gonna file an sales tax return, a monthly sales tax return for Arizona state. But before we move to the filing, I would request all of you to do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest information related to US sales tax and Canadian GST, HST and PST. So you can see on my screen, this is my report for Arizona. That's a dummy data. I have these invoices, and this is my sales amount. I don't have any tax amount. These are non-taxable sales, but I will show you how you can file the tax amount as well. So this is the portal. You can see on the portal now here. Once you are logged in with this website on the arizonataxes.gov, you will find a file option here. You will click here, transaction privilege use tax return. So here you're gonna click the license that you have, the license number, and then you have to click the year, and then you wanna click the month which you want to file. So right now I need to file the May return, so I will click this one. And so if you don't have any sales, if you have a nil return, you can just click no gross sales to report, and then you can just click continue, and you can just submit your return. But if you have the sales amount, whether it's a taxable sales or the non-taxable sales, you have to continue. Just click continue. Don't click any of these. So now here you can see I have these two counties listed in my, one is the city and one is the county listed on my return. So if you wanna add some counties, you can just click new line item and you can add the counties here. So this, for these particular sales, I have this city and this is the county that is there where the these sales have been happened. So I will just click here edit. So now here I will add the total gross amount. So my total gross amount here is 2813.50. I will hit the deductions here because I have the deductions. If you don't have the deductions, you can see here that this is the tax rate, this is your total tax, and this is how you can file your return if you have the taxable sales. But since both of these sales are my non-taxable sales, so I will click here add deductions, and now here I will just select this option because both these sales are for my resale purposes, and then I will just click continue. So I will just click save and close. Now I will click continue. So if you have any excess tax which is on your report, you can just add that here. You can just say yes, and then you can add the excess amount here, but I don't have any taxes, so I will just click continue. And you can see here this is my total tax amount, a total return, total a summary of my taxes, and then I just need to add my pin number, and then I will just select this, and then I just need to click submit, and this is how your return will be submitted. So this is how you can file the monthly Arizona tax sales tax return, use tax return. One thing I just want to highlight here, since in my return here I have only two transactions, but if you have multiple transactions, like I have a report for one of my client which is already, which is a annual tax return, and in an annual tax return it is almost more than 500 transactions in my report, and that's the annual tax return. So what I do for those returns, what I do is I just use the pivot table. By using pivot table, you can just report the sales county wise or city wise, whatever best works for you, and whatever the county and city the sales has been happened in that cities, you can just add that in your report. So this is how you can file your monthly or annual sales tax return for Arizona. If you have any questions, if you have any comments, do let me know in the comment box. Thank you so much.